Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, and welcome you all to this class. In our last class, we started the learning of Arabic letters, and we were able to learn Alif to Ha. For this class, we are going to be learning from letter Ha to letter Dod. A quick one, we are going to have a review of what we had in our last class, starting from Alif. So we have Arabic letters. The last class, lesson 1, we learned Alif to Ha. For this class, which is our lesson 2, we are going to be learning from Ha to Dod. So like I have said, we are going to have a review of what we had in our last class, Alif to Ha. Alif, Alif, Alif. Ba, ba, ba. Ta, 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 ta. Jim, jim, jim. Ha, ha, ha. And the last one, ho, ho, ho. Taking it again. Alif, ba, ta, ta, jim, ha, ho. Alif, ba, ta, ta, jim, ha, ho. So this was what we learned in our last class. For this class, we are going to start from letter Ho. Letter Ho. From Ho to letter God. God. Okay. From Ho, we have Ho. We did this in our last class. It's pronounced Ho. 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 The next letter is Dal. Dal, which is pronounced da, da. Dal, dal, dal. Kho, kho, kho. Dal, dal, dal. The next letter is Zal, Zal. Zal, Zal. Pronounced Zal, Zal, Zal. Next one, Ra, 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 Ra. Next one, Zai, 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 Zai. The next letter is Sin, 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 Sin. Sheen, Sheen, Sheen. This is Sheen, Sheen. Sheen. It is sword, 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 dod, dod, dod. This is spelled dod, sword, dod. Now let's take this from the beginning. Ha, ha, dal, 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 zal, 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 ra, 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 zai, 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 sin, 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 sheen, 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 sword, 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 dod, dod, dod. I think at this point it's very important for me to include the sounds. This is ha sound, ha, ha. This sound, da, da. This sound, d, d, val, val, val. This raw. This is raw. While this is zai, zai. This is seen, pure seen, seen. While this is sheen, sheen. While this is sword, sword. This one is different from, it's not pure sword. While this is dod, dod, dod is, we put this. So with this is where we are going to stop for this class.